Hi, it's Carole with tip number 7 on how to dowse. And what I'm coming across today is talking about what I wish I knew or had known before I started dowsing. And we wound up, um, as you, blah, blah, blah. As a dowser, you realize that there is such a thing as polarity. So if I take a pendulum and this is yes, this is no, I ask the pendulum to show me a yes, and it goes to my yes. However, if you change hands, and again, yes and no, typically, I can ask pendulum to show me a yes, and now it's going in the other direction. And that's because our polarity changes, and with the hands, whichever hand you're using. And so as a dowser, you always remember you've got to use the same hand, or if you change, you need to realign with the pendulum with what's a yes, what's a no, all the basics. In this world, there's a lot of belief systems. And the first one in every single book is to always dowse with your dominant hand, which for me is my left hand. And so I dutifully did that, and all was well. And it continues to work. But what I've also discovered is it's a pain in the buttski, because I often am writing down answers to what I found. And I'm left-handed, so I have to drop my pendulum, grab the pen, write, go back, pick up the pendulum, and move on. And since I'm not using a voice-activated recorder right now, this gets awkward. So what I wish I had known previously is if I had started out training using my right hand always for dowsing, it would be an easier method. So something to think about when you're starting. And the belief system that you must use your dominant hand is just that. It's somebody's belief system. And not too long ago, well, a few years ago, I attended a lecture by a Filipino gal who was a dowser. And during the course, she basically said, and anyone who gets answers using their left hand is getting answers from the devil. So yes, we all have belief systems, don't we? When you're ready to start working, or if you want to change how you're working now, follow your own belief system. Double check what's yes, what's no, and just enjoy being a dowser. We'll talk to you with tip number 8 tomorrow.